Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, I'm Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Thank you so much for coming along on today's adventure. We'll actually be heading over to a museum over in Brentwood, California, which I've been there before many years ago, and since the pandemic, I'm sure things have changed since then. So it'll be nice to see some art and antiquities and whatever else this museum has to offer. So let's head on over to the Getty Center. Beautiful day out. As you can tell, we're in the second level of the South Pavilion right now, and look at this amazing view behind me. It's like amazing. And over there you can actually see the Pacific Ocean. Continue this little day trip, if you are going to come visit the center, they do have an app you can download, and if you can do a self-guided tour, they have little numbers on here, so if you want to check out the history or what the information on pieces that they have here available, you could definitely listen to that. So I've been doing that while I'm here, so it's really great to just walk around and explore and listen to a little bit of history of the pieces that they have here. our day trip to the Getty Center. Now, if you want to plan your own trip, I'll put the link in the description below so you could check out a good time to visit, as well as their other museum, the Getty Villa, which we visited last year, so I'll put a link in the description for that as well if you want to check out that video. But what I showed you here is just a fraction of what they house in the museum, so definitely check it out. There's quite a bit of amazing artworks and artifacts there, so definitely worth the trip up, as well as the amazing views you can get of Southern California. Thank you so much once again. I hope you had a really good time. Now, if you want to see more adventures just like this, please do like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, as I definitely have more coming up, so you do not want to miss out on any of it. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.